simply beautiful. Sure glad you took after me.
Sure Bob loves that.
Nah, who cares? Absolutely amazing. I'm so sad, but yet so happy. I love you.
Love you too, Dale. I got a present for you.
Love you too. Looks so pretty.
Thank you. Love you.
Love, loyalty, and compromise. Life will take care of itself.
Thank you.
Will you, Peyton, accept this ring as a token of Colby's love for you, and will you wear it as a token of your love for him?
Yeah.
And will you wear it as a token of your love for her, Colby?
I do.
And so by the power that is invested in me, by God in the state of Missouri, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Colby, you may kiss your bride. I now present to you Mr. and Miss Colby Peyton Dodd.
When Colby first introduced me to Peyton, my first observation was, wow, they have a lot in common. I knew early on the relationship they were very well matched together.
I cannot wait to watch your family grow and hopefully add a new member or two. So I end my speech by raising my glass to the bride and groom. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Dodd. I love you both.